this lesson, we're going to look at solving one-step equations with multiplication and division. Here are a couple of questions from previous lessons. We've got one-step equations with addition and subtraction, and there's also a couple of times tables for you to complete. Pause the video and then press play when you're ready for the answers. Here's your noddy words for today. As we said, to be able to solve one-step equations containing multiplication and division. Pause the video, press play when you're ready to continue. For example 1, so 2x. We should know by now this means 2 times x. So 2 times something equals 20. Okay, so we want our variable, our x, on its own. Now this is multiply, so the opposite to multiply would be divide. So we're going to do 20 divided by 2. So x is 10. And if we think back, 2 times 10 makes 20. Remember, you pause and replay these videos as many times as you want. Example 2. So it's just writing it a slightly different way, different layout. So 45 equals 5x. So 45 is the same as 5 times something. Okay, so we want our x on its own. So this was times, so we need to do 45 divided by 5. So that would be 9 is equal to x, or we prefer to write it x equals 9. Okay, I'm just going to write it out again over this side. 45 equals 5x. Okay, so we could do x is 45 divided by 5. You may see something written like that as well. We should be realizing now that this is 45 divided by 5. So again, our answer is still the same. Example 3. So let's think about what this is actually saying to us. So it's saying 25 divided by s, so something, equals 5. So we now need to ask ourselves, how many 5s are 25? So how many 5s in 25? So s would equal 25 divided by 5. So s is equal to 5. We think about 25 divided by 5 equals 5. And then another way we might see it written out, be careful when you see this one, okay, because it's saying x divided by 2 equals 50. So something divided by 2 is 50. So we've got x equals, divide. So this time we're going to do multiplied. So 50 multiplied by 2, so x equals 100. And if we think back, 100 divided by 2 equals 50. So here's your main task. Pause the video and then press play when you're ready to reveal the answers. Here are your answers to the main task. Okay, mark your work and then pause the video, mark your work, and then press play when you're ready for the checking question. So here are your checking questions. You need to solve these equations. Pause the video, answer the questions, press play when you're ready for answers. So number 1, how many 6s in 72? Well, there's 12. And then something divided by 3 is 5, so y equals 15.